I didn't know that we were the only, this is our generation. You know, years back we thought we had 20, 30 years. We certainly don't have 30 odd years now. It's now. And my concern is that most people like myself don't know. And that's what makes me angry, because, you know, I've got my little granddaughter. She's 4. She doesn't know what sort of future she's hurtling into. And we're all responsible for this. We're all responsible in some way. Now, that's our common ground. We've all got a love for our grandchildren. And I want to be able to turn to her and say, do you know what, Rose? I'm doing this for you. I mean, I don't know what I'm going to achieve, but if I can come and support a group and say, actually, this is for our future, and I love you so much that I couldn't think of anything else that I could want to do. So I'm here for my granddaughter and all the other children, because unless we make a change now, they haven't got a future. And even if they had 10, 20 odd years now, by the time they've gone through that time, what is the change going to be? It's going to get hotter and hotter, or we're going to have droughts. If we have droughts, things will happen such as crop failure. If we have crop failure because the weather's changing so drastically, because we've caused this with our climate, with our industries, it's proven, it's a scientific fact that this is proven now that we are responsible for the change largely. And if we had drought, for example, and the crops fail, then we have starvation. We get hungry and starvation. If we have really hot weather, and we're seeing it now already, it's already started. If we don't do something, then we have crop failure. And if we get crop failure, there's nothing in the shops. We've seen it already with the lockdown time, with the pandemic. And I am not going to stand here and say, you could have done something. If she turns to me and say, what did you do, Gran? I've got to say, I did my best, Rose. But what I would say to people is, it's not your fault. I'm not fault blaming here. We just don't know. And it's time. It's time the government told the truth. They need to tell people the facts. They need to stop sitting on it, as does the media. They need to stop sitting quietly and not telling people. They need to tell the truth. And I say to people, listen, join an action group, be it Extinction Rebellion, Friends of the Earth, 350degrees.org, anything, and find out more. Just make an informed, educated choice and decide what's right for me. But please, don't just do nothing. Find out for your children.